When choosing auto insurance, it's essential to consider several factors to ensure you get the best coverage for your needs. Let's explore the key aspects you should focus on. First and foremost, evaluate the coverage options available. Basic liability coverage is mandatory, but consider additional options like collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist coverage. These can protect you against various risks, such as accidents, theft, or natural disasters. Assess your vehicle's value and your personal circumstances to determine the right level of coverage. Remember, the goal is to balance adequate protection with affordability. Next, explore potential discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for safe driving records, bundling multiple policies, or installing safety features in your vehicle. Some insurers also provide lower rates for students with good grades or for completing defensive driving courses. It's worth asking about any available discounts as they can significantly reduce your premium costs without compromising coverage. Finally, consider choosing the right insurance agent. A knowledgeable and reliable agent can guide you through the process, helping you understand complex terms and find the best policy for your needs. Look for agents with good reputations, excellent customer service, and a willingness to answer your questions. A great agent can make a significant difference in your insurance experience.